Hello students! Before you start watching this concept video, quickly I want to tell you that you can get access to more such concept clarity classes by our experts from our Turito Champions program. This program is designed for classes 4th to 12th and is available at a very nominal fee, which is only around 3 rupees a day. That too from the comfort and convenience of your homes. So enroll today and get started. We look forward to see you in the class.
Hello students, we are talking about science, right? In that we will be talking about chemistry. So over here, as you already know that there are formation of ions, but ions are charged, right? So there is positive charge as well as negative charge. So if there is presence of different charges, opposite charges, then what they will do? They will actually combine together and will form ionic compound. So in this particular module, we will see how to write the formula of ionic compound. Now let us see how to derive the particular formula for ionic compounds. Okay. So over here, as you know that in periodic table there are many groups which are present, and if I am talking about any group, it will acquire a particular charge. So if I am talking about first group, it will acquire +1 charge. If I am talking about second group, it will acquire +2 charge. If I am talking about the 13th group, it will acquire the +3 charge. Then if I am talking about say 15th group, it will easily acquire -3 charge. If I am talking about 16th group, it will acquire -2 charge, and 17th group will acquire -1 charge. So over here we will be only seeing the particular elements which are commonly seen. Okay. Other elements also form the charged particle, but it is rare. So we are not talking about that particular thing right now. Okay. Now if I am having a particular example, say magnesium nitride, how to write the particular formula for it? So Mg, as you can see that it is a member of group 2. That means it will have +2 charge. And the other one is nitride. Nitride means it is another way of saying nitrogen. Nitrogen, when acquire negative charge instead of nitrogen, we call it as nitride. Okay. So nitrogen is having 3- charge because it belongs to group 15. Correct? Now if I am talking about writing the particular formula for magnesium nitride, remember that I have to balance their charges. So let us say that I am having 1 Mg2 plus and 1 N3-. What is the charge? Positive charge is +2 and negative charge is -3. Now let us add one more ion to each of it. So then what will happen? If I add one more Mg2 plus, then the total positive charge will be +4. And if I add one more nitride, then N3-, so total charge will be -6. Now let us add one more Mg2 plus to the cation, then 3 Mg2 plus means +6 charge, and over here for 2 nitride there will be -6 charge. Right. So over here what I am doing, I am keep on adding the particular ions till the charges are balanced. Now how many magnesium ion am I having? 3. How many nitrogen ion am I having? I am having 2. So what should be the formula? It is Mg3N2. Is there any other method by which I can do it? Yes. So if I write Mg2 plus and N3-, then the easiest method is write the charge of nitrogen to Mg and write the charge of Mg to nitrogen. Then what will be the answer? It will be again Mg3N2. So this is the trick by which you can do it. Okay. But over here this is the method of deriving it and this is the short trick. Okay.